In this video, I'll show you how to integrate DocuSign with SharePoint step by step so you can streamline document storage and workflows. Start by logging into your DocuSign account, then navigate to the Admin section from your dashboard. Inside Admin, look for the Connect or Integrations area where you can manage external connections. Click Add Configuration and choose the appropriate Microsoft integration, often linked through OneDrive since it connects with SharePoint services. Follow the authorization steps and grant required permissions to ensure secure access between platforms. Once connected, configure agreement actions to define how documents are stored or shared in SharePoint. Keep in mind that setup options may vary depending on your account permissions and Microsoft environment. Always test the integration to confirm documents sync correctly. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.